Hi guys, it's a bright and sunny day here at Suhum in the eastern region of Ghana. Welcome to Farming in Africa channel. My name is Nadia, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel because we have a lot coming your way. And if you're already a subscriber, you know what to do. Please hit the notification button because I want you to be the first to be notified of every new thing we bring your way. Guys, I also want to use the opportunity to say thank you for the generous and kind donations you've been sending in all around me. That's what we've been using your monies and donations for. And that's why we keep imploring you that if you are touched, the link is www.farminginafrica.com/donate. Once again, www.farminginafrica.com/donate. Today, I want to bring you updates on the progress of all of the activities going on. The last update we brought you, I am sure you would recognize that there was nothing like this. Wire mesh. I don't think we had roofed the pens yet. So today I would start from the wire mesh. We are trying to make it a bit similar to, how it was over there. That's the tried and tested methods we have gone with. And so why change it? Today, we want to just stick to that and maybe bring along some modifications here and there as we go on. So for today, thankfully, we have a lot of these wire mesh, more like the fencing kind of all around me. So Fred explained that each goat pen would house around 30 to 40 goats for when they are going to rest or retire for the day. But when you move here like this is their little playground where, they would move around a little, stretch their limbs and all of that. Then come out. So you can see the demarcations for each of the goat pen. We are also trying to make the whole setting as controlled as possible to avoid chaos. There is this notion out there that goats are stubborn and all of that. It's not true. If you've been following Farming in Africa for a while, you would agree with me that these animals actually can be very tamed and domesticated. It all depends on how you train them. And so as you can see, these are the demarcations. So those who will be playing here obviously wouldn't come to crash with those who will be playing here. And then at the end of the day, there is this lane where I am passing. You get it? So this fence over there, they come out, you march like students marching. You march to where we already showed you is a designated pasture where we've grown or we've planted our Semanhyia grass seeds. I already told you we've had some rains, so very soon there will be massive transformation. Once again, if you're a livestock farmer watching, we've said it over and over and over again that even before you introduce your animals, please make sure you have a sustainable source of feed for them so they don't come and starve. Starvation leads to a lot of unpleasant things, and that is why we've already planted our seeds. By the time everything here is set and the animals are here, their food or feed would be ready. Let me take you to an interesting spot right here on the land. So for those of us who have been following the Building a Farm series we've been bringing you, I think the second among that series, Fred was actually in the classroom drawing a lot of stuff on the board, teaching you literally how to design your farm. And when he drew the scope of our land, he mentioned how it slopes in a way. So some few months or even weeks back, it was still heavily the dry season here in Ghana. And where I'm pointing my hand towards, even though it was the dry season, the place was totally wet. It's a very swampy area. And so when Fred was drawing the whole thing and how to design it on that board, if you've not watched that video, please go through the videos and educate yourself. He mentioned that when it rains on this particular piece of land, because of the slopey nature, it is going to collect over there. And so that might, cause some kind of impediments if you want to cross to the other side of the land. Because the other side too happens to be part of ours. So why allow this swampy area to prevent you from accessing the other parts of the land? So come, see. We've had a bit of rain, so for today I'm not going to walk through the swamp. Some few days ago I was able to walk through the swamp here with my boots. But the rain, so that buttresses my point that even in the dry season the place was very swampy. So you can imagine what happens in the wet season, which we are entering in here in Ghana. Behind me is the bridge we are trying to construct. we are constructing a bridge so that we can still have access to other parts of the land here. Where I'm standing, very wet, very swampy. Once again, your donations coming in. These are the kind of stuff you are using the monies for. The link is www.farminginafrica.com/donate. Please go there, donate anything you can to help build up this project, because it's going to be massive and it's going to help us bring you what we do best, the beautiful education you've been enjoying. Follow me, I have another surprise for you. Come, let's go. Okay, so to my right, the last update, you remember you rather saw these pillars, and I mentioned to you that we've erected these pillars in preparation for the construction of our staff quarters and other facilities we would bring on the site. So what you are seeing, I wouldn't want to call them containers, because I keep telling you, give us a few more weeks and you're going to see massive transformation right here. So here, by God's grace, the containers have arrived also for the construction of the staff house for officers, even the lab and other facilities. We would let you know as the whole project continues. Come, I've got 2 more surprises for you. Then we'll wrap up the update for today. You remember this block, right? I think a week ago I came and I sat on it because it was at this level. This is the block I mentioned we are constructing for our pregnant and lactating mothers and their kids, because that particular category is a very delicate and vulnerable category. You would want to give them extra care and attention. And so even though we are constructing our wooden goat pens, we are constructing this block structure for them for extra warmth, for extra protection basically. And so today, see the progress. It's not at this level where I can sit on anyway, but this is it. This is it. So you see, so that's the progress on those little blocks I sat on the last time I came your way with the updates. Also, I've already mentioned today that we are generating our own source of water, and so we have all of these beautiful workers behind me are here to drill a borehole for us, because just like we're doing on the old farmland, we want to be able to generate our own source of water, and that is what is going on. Kudos to them, because yeah, it's been a hard day and they are still going strong in the sun. Once again, this is what your money is being used for. www.farminginafrica.com/donate. Help us build this as fast as possible, because I know you enjoy what we bring your way. Good afternoon. I want to end the updates at this point today. Thankfully and happily, we have our own source of electricity on this land now. So, you know, it's not becoming like some very far off land anytime we come here now, because you can stay as long as you want because of the presence of electricity right here. So guys, that's the update on the progress of the construction going on. I want to say thank you for sticking with us through thick and thin. And for everything, keep your questions coming. Fred would continue to do what he does best for you, and the team is also here. We thank you for all the various ways you reach out to us. So I'll end on this beautiful note that yay, the new Semanhyia Learning and Development Farm has electricity. See you next time with the updates on the progress of the construction going on. Bye-bye.